What's up, y'all? Today we got a tub cartridge that we're gonna replace, and it takes a lot of effort, lots of effort to move this handle. This handle is plastic. What happens is when these cartridges get stuck like this, they break, water won't shut off, apartment floods, house floods, end of story. But today we are going to prevent that by replacing this Moen 1222B shower cartridge. Let's get to it. We have two half-turn water shutoffs here. I'm going to try and use the water shutoffs right here at the cartridge, which is convenient. If you don't have these, you may have to shut the water off to the entire home. There is a tab on the top that holds the cartridge in place. Look how the tile guy gave us a room to work on these. Remove that. Now here's the tricky part. What these are designed to do is you take this and then you just twist it out. Sometimes that works, sometimes they're stuck. If they're stuck, you're gonna need a cartridge puller. Highly recommend investing in one of these if you're gonna be working on a lot of these types of cartridges. They're pretty cheap and they will save you a lot of time. I always like to check back there for sediment buildup or any loose O-rings. We look like we're clear. Our new cartridge comes with some O-ring lubricant. We're gonna wanna use that. Just 3 different O-rings on this cartridge. Get that nice and lubed. Hot to the left, cold to the right. Then we're gonna grab our locking device. And I just dropped it. Whoop. Whoop. Luckily we got an extra one. Had to come to the shop anyway. I was trying to get some good close-up footage for y'all, but I cannot afford to drop this one as it's our last one. So I'm gonna use 2 hands this time and some pliers. And when you put these handles on, it does matter how you put them on. This is the correct way, so it goes left for hot, hits the stopper. That's the end of this fix. I'm on to the next one. Hopefully I'll see you there.